Come on!
Come on, come on.
Hi Wishards! For this video, gagawa tayo ng Milo Banana Ice Cream Cake. Hindi natin kailangan ng oven para magawa ang recipe na ito. Bukod sa masarap, madaling gawin, murang-mura pa. Pwede nating pang negosyo. Simulan na natin! Let the magic begin! Evaporated milk, 1/2 cup of butter, almond and walnut for optional, 1 cup or 4 sachet of Milo powder, 1/2 cup of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of sugar, coffee powder and chia seeds for optional, and our 2 bananas and any kind of chocolates. Complete ingredients is on the description box below. I put some chocolates on the pan and some are for dissolve later. After heating the pan, put 400 ml evaporated milk. If you don't have measuring cup, 400 ml is equivalent of 1 can with 405 grams. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar. And add 1 cup of Milo powder. If you don't have measuring cup, it is equivalent of 4 sachet of Milo powder. Put chocolates of your choice. Stir until dissolve. Haluin ng haluin hanggang sa maubos ang gasol. Now, it's time to put 1/2 cup of cornstarch. Add coffee powder. Add 1/2 cup of butter. Almost done! Now it's time for you to transfer on your container. For optional, you can add almond and walnuts, or if you don't have, you can add biscuits. And chia seeds for optional.
Yum, 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 yum. Delicioso! Terrific!
Freeze it for 2 to 3 hours. Kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe sa ating YouTube channel, please do so. I will love that. And don't forget to click the notification bell below para updated ka sa mga bago nating recipes. For suggestion or question, you can comment down below. See ya!